the long contributed material for heart valves.
Yeah, and now doctors are using pig material as a substitute covering for the brain and spinal cord. Medical editor Marilyn Brooks is here to explain. Marilyn.
Well, if you cut your hand, Michelle, you put a Band-Aid to cover it, right, to protect it from dirt and infection. Well, the same is true for the brain and spinal cord. The medical material created from pig intestines is an experimental Band-Aid, and doctors say it looks like a good one. It looks like a piece of paper. Actually, it's a patch of pig intestine. Called Durasis, it may be the wonderkind medical material for which neurosurgeons have searched for a century.
We started looking into the possibilities of using other materials that may not have the problem we have with, beef like mad cow disease, or having, material from cadavers. And that's why we started looking into using the Durasis.
Doctors began testing Durasis 8 months ago as a substitute for Duramatter, the toughest, most fibrous layer of tissue covering the brain and spinal cord. 38-year-old Karen Lash is one of the patients.
I knew that I was going to try it. I had to try something.
Her problem was Arnold-Chiari malformation. Part of her brain drooped into her spinal column, and that created pressure and pain.
The back of my head just felt like it was going to come off. It was all of a sudden. It was just a pounding.
She suffered 12 years, saw at least 6 doctors before Dr. Bajani. He made the diagnosis and offered a surgical solution. Let me show you what Dr. Bajani actually does. This, of course, is a model of the brain. These little tonsils back here are the problem for so many people. Well, they are removed, and that relieves the pressure. However, there's an opening there. So they take this matrix-like material, soak it for 5 minutes, and it becomes very, very strong. This is what is used to close that opening. Within 2 to 6 months, this little piece of material grows into and becomes part of the human body. Karen underwent the actual 2-hour surgery to correct her Chiari malformation and relieve her symptoms in November.
Then became the choice of what graft material to use, and then we gave her the choice, and she decided to go ahead with the Durasis, and that's what was implanted.
And she couldn't be happier. Months ago, she couldn't bend over, sneeze, or even cough without severe head pain. Now, it's all gone. Well, what do you think about having Petunia Pig in your head, though?
Doesn't bother me.
Poor Petunia. The Duramatter, of course, is just one of many areas that Durasis is being tested. Doctors are also using it for hernia repair, skin burns, and more. Once again, a pig may save the day.
Well
Poor Petunia.
This doesn't cause infection. There's no worry about infection or anything like that.
That's the total beauty of it. I mean, this is non-toxic. It's easy to sew. It's non-permeable and has very little elasticity. What's more, it's readily available and inexpensive. Can't beat that. So.
That really is incredible.
It is. It's a fantastic piece of material. Poor piggy.
Thank you, Marilyn.